That was off a while ago, now it's back on. I don't understand it. Now I could hear the squeal a second ago. Let's see if it squeals when I back out. Put it in wide angle. There we go. Still that service the engine light is back on. It was off for a while. Don't know what's going on. No one this way. No one that way. We're clear. Yep, there it goes. Squealing a little bit. Not bad though. There it goes. Look out, dear. What in the world causes that squeal? Look out, dear. Here we go, Skye. It's pouring rain out here in Kent, and although there's plenty of places to eat, I just didn't want to drive anywhere or walk across this busy street. So I went to the gas station that has a 7-Eleven. And I've got some chicken, some beer, and some chips. Not exactly health food, but I'm hungry. Let's get back to our hotel. The Extended Stay America. Okie dokie. Let's get inside and have a meal. This is where I parked at the Extended Stay America. You can see the traffic. Commuters coming home. Skye's inside waiting for me. So let's go get her. Bring her to the room. Ready, Skye? Come on. Come on, girl. There she is. Okay, let me get your leash and your carpet. Hang on. So this is the room. Has a little kitchenette. I've been told people actually live here in this hotel. It's been around. True, it smells a little smoky, but not because people smoke in the room necessarily. It's more because the staff smokes. They go outside, have a cigarette, come back in. Anyway, it's TV, a view of the traffic, a queen-size bed, big enough. There you have it. My 7-Eleven meal. Yummy. Windy morning. At least it's not raining. People on their way to work. Chaos. There's a 7-Eleven where I got my meal last night. Come on, Skye. Let's go potty. I don't know what kind of day this is going to be, but I hope it goes well. Been waiting a long time to get this done. That's where I'm staying. Another night tonight. I wish I could get her to go potty. We got lightning going on in the distance. That doesn't bode well for a good drive this morning. Fortunately, Poulsbo RV is nearby. Whoa, blasts of wind. I fed Skye, and now it's time for my hotel breakfast. Here we are, Poulsbo RV, not sure where to go. So I'll just park right here and announce my arrival, and they can tell me where to go. Here's another Travato, probably for a similar issue. Alrighty, there's the moon. Nice view of Mount Rainier from Poulsbo RV here in Kent, Washington. And there's a lenticular cloud on top of the mountain that says it's going to rain. Hopefully I can get home before the rain starts. The trip here was, let's just say, a white knuckle drive. So this is the main building. I guess I should have figured that out. but it wasn't obvious when I drove in. And there's a lot of stuff here. RVs, RVs, RVs. That's where I parked, right next to a Solaris. Looks similar, but doesn't have all the features of the Travato. Skylar's a really nice guy, and I'm sure they're gonna fix this up for me just fine. Travato's going into the shop now. All right, see you later.